Hey everybody, Justin Lindhorst with MarineMax St Petersburg. Today I'm standing on board this beautiful 2023 Aquila 54. Boat's name is Wonderlust. This is my latest listing out there. It's definitely one of a kind. There's no other Aquila, in my opinion, that has every option that this boat has, from upgraded engines, bigger generator, advanced Wi-Fi system. It really has a ton of unique features, and we'll explain it all in this listing. Please enjoy. Give me a call if you have any questions. Thank you. About this amazing Aquila 54. This boat has been privately owned since brand new. She's a 2023 model Aquila 54, powered with the upgraded Cummins 550 engines. She also is equipped with the upgraded 24 kW Aquila generator. This boat's been privately owned since new, never been chartered, and what's pretty unique is this has been captain maintained and run from day one for the owners. So incredibly well maintained. All services are up to date. We actually just completed the 300-hour service a couple of weeks ago on this boat. So engines have done about 320 around there. I will have everything in the complete listing. The boat is equipped with a ton of options. I think it's the most equipped 54 out there. I mean, it's got 2 Starlinks, it's got upgraded, all the upholstery, tabletops, everything's been upgraded on this boat. In the off cockpit, as you can tell, the upgraded high glass tea table was upgraded a couple years back. When they purchased the boat, they redid all the cushioning throughout the entire boat. So every single cushion is upgraded with beautiful diamond stitch and the luxurious outdoor weather material. So we do have complete teak flooring throughout the rear cockpit, as well as on the flybridge. And the boat does have an upgraded sound system, so we do have subwoofer speakers back there. It sounds incredible. There are a lot of speakers on this boat. So in the Salon, we do have an automated high-low electric table, so this table can come up to dinner table height or down to coffee table. And these leaves do open up to give you a nice big dining table. If you will notice the material that was used for the cushioning, really one of a kind Aquila 54 out there. You're not going to see this on any of the other boats out there. So just the added touches throughout the boat. Nice big TV with the Bose surround sound. There is a sound bar in each room with the TV as well. Very cool features. Every single blind on this boat, press a button and they come down. Interior stairs on this Aquila 54 is an upgrade. Once you select the interior stairs, you automatically get the enclosed flybridge with the full glassy enclosure with air conditioning. So really cool feature to have, especially if you're cruising with family and friends and you got your husband up or captain at the helm. It's easy to have a conversation and transition from the flybridge down to the Salon. So great option.